versus T-Rex. They're obviously not the same scale, but we're going to draw them the same scale for this drawing. So it's going to be one on this side, one on this side, like a face-off. Let's get started. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw the T-Rex first. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw the kind of brow area of T-Rex. Pulling out. Pulling out over here, curve down. Line here for the back of the head. Down underneath, pull up. And then another down underneath, pull up for the cheekbone area. I'm gonna go over here to the eye. Curve. Line underneath. Dot. Go over here. Nasal cavity. Line underneath, curve, 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 curve. Line back there, it's usually where the ear is of the T-Rex. Line down for kind of that skin area as the mouth opens up. Curve underneath. Down underneath here. Pull down. Curve back here, back of the jaw, pull in, and then continue down here for the lower jaw there. So let's get into the teeth, of course. So we have T-Rex teeth here, and I'm just gonna draw them like so. I'm not gonna draw them too small or too big. I'm just gonna draw them like banana shapes, essentially. They curve back a bit over here now. Over here, down, pull back here for the back of the neck, line to the chest area, line, down here, pull up, one finger, the other finger. I like drawing shadow on these characters because it kind of balances them out. Gonna go right here now to the Godzilla part. Again, we're imagining they're the same scale, but they're not gonna be. I think in like as far as their universe and stuff like that goes, Godzilla's as big as like a building, right? Like a skyscraper. And the T-Rex is only as big as a like elephant or something, so it's completely different. But we're gonna imagine the same scale. So line over here for the flat part of Godzilla's head. Up, back, down over here. Very flat top of the head for Godzilla. By the way, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw in general. I go through how to draw everything. I go to draw Sonic, you know, Godzilla, dinosaurs, everything you can think about. I take many requests, and I post 3 times a day, which nobody does. So hit that subscribe and click the bell notification if you like that kind of stuff. Let's continue down here. One back, down for the open mouth. He's going to be roaring as well. Out over here. He's got a very square mouth. Back. And he just gets bigger and bigger as he goes down, right? He's like he gets bigger, wider as he goes down. Curve over here maybe for the chest area, pulling down, out. Curve, curve, curve. For the arm. Line over here, just continuing down to that stomach area. Now we're going to go right here and find some smaller spikes, and they're going to get a bit bigger around there. Alright, let's go over here to the mouth. Draw the teeth in there. His teeth are relatively, you know, his mouth is relatively small. I mean, when you're talking about in proportion, right? Proportions, they're relatively small. Draw the tongue in there. Down here, back. Line over here. Line. Dot right there. Put a lot of dark around Godzilla's eye because I want there to be kind of that shadowy figure there. Line over here back for the jaw. Line over here, kind of down. And we're going to draw this right here. See that? Like these curves. Like that, like their scale, like, you know, it's going to be the pattern essentially. Same thing on his arm. You're drawing this either hashtag or checkerboard pattern right here as well behind the ear. That's the cheekbone there. Right there on the mouth. You can do the exact same thing, by the way. You can curve, curve, curve. Curve, curve, curve. And there you go. That's Godzilla versus T-Rex at the same scale. Please hit the subscribe. Also, if you want to learn how to draw in general, right? What I do is I go over on the main website, sketchingeasy.com, and click on the dragon over there. When you do that, there's going to be a beginner drawing program. So it's completely beginner. So if you have like shaky hands or you're not really sure what to do, everybody can benefit from this free program. And I mean, it's free, totally free. There's no sign up, nothing. Just go to the website and there's going to be videos posted there. It's going to be embedded in the page. Just go there. And it teaches you how to steady your hand and how to really, you know, apply this kind of stuff. So go do that if you're serious about drawing, because a lot of people really are, and I wanted to make something that was, you know, easy to follow. So go over there and check that out. Thank you so much. I will talk to you next time.